Everyone's building barndominiums, but almost nobody is building them like this. A courtyard barndominium with a walkway garden is the design quietly taking over Barndo planning groups in 2026. And once you see what this layout actually does to the way you live, you will never look at a standard rectangle barndominium the same way again. We're talking about a home that wraps around a private garden you can walk through every single day, completely sheltered from the outside world. And here is the part that surprises most people. This design does not cost as much more as you would expect. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly why so many builders are calling this the most livable barndominium layout of 2026. And trust me, there is something I am going to reveal at the very end of this video that almost every builder fails to tell you, and it could save you tens of thousands of dollars. Before we go any further, if this kind of content helps you, hit that like button right now, subscribe so you never miss a build breakdown, and drop a comment below telling me what you love most about courtyard designs. It takes you 2 seconds, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. Now let's get into it. What is a courtyard barndominium with a walkway garden? Most barndominiums are built in a simple rectangular shape. One long building, everything under a single roofline. A courtyard barndominium breaks that mold entirely. Instead of a rectangle, the structure wraps around a central outdoor space, often in an L shape, a U shape, or a full enclosed courtyard design. That outdoor space in the center becomes the heart of the home, and when you add a walkway garden to it, something remarkable happens. A walkway garden is a designed pathway through planted space. Think stone or poured concrete paths winding through raised garden beds, ornamental grasses, flowering shrubs, fruit trees, or herb gardens. The walkway connects the different wings of your barndominium while immersing you in nature every time you move from one part of your home to another. Instead of walking down a hallway, you walk through a garden. Instead of staring at interior walls, your living room looks out through large glass doors onto greenery you planted yourself. This design originally gained traction in Mediterranean and Spanish colonial architecture. In 2026, it has found a new home in the barndominium world because the open-plan steel frame construction of a barndo makes this layout surprisingly achievable. The walls and windows facing the courtyard can be loaded with glass, since they are protected from weather and wind, creating that seamless indoor-outdoor connection that high-end homes charge a massive premium for. The courtyard creates something a standard barndominium cannot: genuine privacy and a sense of enclosure that feels luxurious rather than restrictive. The outside world disappears. What you see from inside your home is your garden, your walkway, your space. Coming up next, I'm going to show you exactly how much this design costs compared to a standard barndo, and the answer is going to surprise you. The real cost. What does this actually cost to build in 2026? Let me be completely honest with you, because this is where most videos get vague. In 2026, a fully finished barndominium costs between $100 and $180 per square foot for mid-range builds, according to current construction data. Standard builds come in around $100 to $120 per square foot. Mid-range lands between $120 and $150. High-end custom builds run $150 to $200 per square foot and beyond. A courtyard barndominium with a walkway garden adds cost in 2 specific areas: the more complex roofline and structural shape, and the courtyard and garden installation itself. Here is the honest breakdown. For a 2,500 square foot courtyard barndominium in an L shape or U shape, plan on the structural shell costing 15 to 25% more than a simple rectangle of the same total square footage. That additional complexity covers the corners, the extra end walls, and the engineering. On a 2,500 square foot build, that means roughly $12,000 to $25,000 more for the structure compared to a basic rectangle. The walkway garden itself, meaning the concrete or stone pathways, raised beds, irrigation, lighting, and initial planting, runs $8,000 to $35,000, depending on how extensively you develop it. A clean, simple design with concrete paths and native plantings sits at the lower end. A fully landscaped courtyard with stone pavers, a water feature, outdoor lighting, and mature plantings can reach $35,000 or more. Here is the full realistic cost for a 2,500 square foot courtyard barndominium with walkway garden at mid-range finish level in 2026. Shell and structural frame, $68,000 to $95,000. Foundation and concrete slab, $20,000 to $30,000. Interior finishing including insulation, drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC, $160,000 to $215,000. Courtyard construction, including walkways, raised beds, fencing or wall panels, drainage, and outdoor lighting, $12,000 to $28,000. Planting and irrigation, $6,000 to $18,000. Permits, engineering, and site prep, $12,000 to $22,000. Total realistic range, $278,000 to $408,000. Compare that to a traditional 2,500 square foot custom home with a landscaped courtyard, which routinely costs $450,000 to $700,000 and beyond in 2026. You are still saving significantly. There is one specific cost inside this build that almost every person overlooks during planning, and it is the single most common reason courtyard barndominium projects go over budget. I will tell you exactly what it is later in this video. The walkway garden, how to design it right. The walkway garden is not just decoration. When designed thoughtfully, it becomes one of the most used and loved spaces on your entire property. Here is what separates a great courtyard garden from an average one. First, the pathway material matters more than people realize. Poured concrete is the most durable and lowest maintenance option at $8 to $18 per square foot installed. Flagstone or natural pavers cost $15 to $35 per square foot, but create a more organic, natural feel. Decomposed granite or gravel pathways are the most budget-friendly at $2 to $6 per square foot, but require occasional maintenance. Whatever you choose, make the paths wide enough to walk comfortably two abreast, which means at least 4 feet, and ideally 5 to 6 feet if your courtyard allows it. Second, use layered planting heights, ground cover and low perennials along the path edges, mid-height flowering shrubs or ornamental grasses behind them, larger specimens, dwarf fruit trees, or tall ornamental grasses at the back against the barndominium walls. This layering creates depth and the feeling that the garden is larger than it actually is. Third, the glass doors and windows facing the courtyard should be as large as your budget allows. In 2026, large sliding glass doors cost between $1,800 and $6,500 per opening, depending on size. They are one of the highest return investments in a courtyard barndominium because they blur the line between inside and outside, making every room that faces the garden feel dramatically larger and more connected to nature. Fourth, lighting transforms the courtyard from a daytime feature into a full evening experience. Low-voltage path lights, uplighting in garden beds, and string lights overhead can create a completely different atmosphere after dark. Budget $2,000 to $8,000 for good courtyard lighting, and consider it essential, not optional. Fifth, consider a water feature. Even a small recirculating fountain adds sound and movement to the space. Running water masks noise from nearby roads or neighbors. A simple fountain installation runs $500 to $2,500 depending on complexity. What I'm about to cover next is the reason courtyard barndominiums are seeing a 35% increase in interest in 2026, and it has nothing to do with how they look. The lifestyle advantage, why this design changes everything here, is what nobody talks about when they cover courtyard barndominium designs. The real advantage is not aesthetic, it is psychological and functional. Studies consistently show that daily access to natural outdoor space reduces stress and improves overall well-being. A courtyard barndominium with a walkway garden gives you that access every single morning when you walk from the bedroom wing to the kitchen. You do not have to go outside in the traditional sense. You step through a door into your sheltered garden, walk the path past your plants, and enter the living area. That short daily ritual, in a space you designed and planted yourself, has an impact on how you feel in your home that no interior designer can replicate. From a functional standpoint, the courtyard design creates natural separation between areas of your home without needing long interior hallways. The bedroom wing can be on one arm of the L or U, the living and kitchen area on the other. The courtyard serves as the connector. You get privacy between zones, shorter interior walls to frame and finish, and a central outdoor space that can serve as an entertainment area, a children's play zone, a kitchen garden, or a meditation space, depending on what your life needs. The enclosed design also provides privacy that open-plan rural properties often lack. Anyone can see into a standard barndominium from the road or neighboring properties. In a courtyard design, the living spaces face inward toward the garden. Your interior life is completely invisible from the outside. I promise to tell you the most overlooked cost in courtyard barndominium builds. It is drainage. Because the courtyard is an enclosed or semi-enclosed outdoor space, water management is critical. Without proper drainage planning, rain collects in the courtyard and creates serious problems. The fix is not expensive when planned from the start. A French drain system, or channel drain running along the low edges of the courtyard, costs $1,500 to $6,000 depending on size. But when it is added as an afterthought after construction, it can cost $10,000 to $20,000 to retrofit properly. Plan drainage in the foundation and courtyard design from day one. This is the detail that separates builds that work beautifully from ones that become a maintenance headache. The honest pros of this design. The privacy this design delivers is genuinely unmatched in the barndominium world. Your outdoor living happens in a space completely sheltered from neighbors, road traffic, and wind. The indoor-outdoor connection created by large glass doors facing the walkway garden is something traditional rectangular barndominiums simply cannot replicate. Every room with a garden view feels larger and more connected to nature. The natural separation between wings means you get a home that functions like it has defined zones without the expense of long hallways and complex interior framing. The walkway garden actively produces food if you choose herb beds, vegetable planters, or fruit trees. Many courtyard barndominium owners report dramatically reducing their grocery spending on fresh herbs, salad greens, and seasonal vegetables. The sheltered courtyard extends outdoor living into weather that would otherwise drive you inside. Wind is blocked by the structure. Rain can be managed with a partial pergola roof. This gives you a genuinely usable outdoor space for far more months of the year than an exposed patio or porch. Resale value for well-designed courtyard barndominiums is notably stronger than standard rectangle builds. The uniqueness of the design appeals to buyers in rural markets who have seen dozens of identical rectangle barndominiums and want something different. The honest cons 20. The more complex structural shape means more material and more labor. There are no two ways around that. Budget for it honestly from the beginning, rather than underestimating to make the numbers work on paper. Maintenance of the walkway garden is a real commitment. Plants need watering, pruning, seasonal replanting, and ongoing care. If you are not someone who enjoys gardening, this design feature can become a source of stress rather than joy. Plan for drip irrigation from the start to reduce ongoing maintenance demands. Drainage planning, as covered earlier, is non-negotiable. It must be addressed in the design phase. This is not a design for people who want to figure it out as they go. Permitting can be more complicated for non-rectangular footprints in some counties. Complex corners, multiple roof sections, and courtyard drainage may require additional engineering sign-off. Allow more time and budget for the permit process than a standard rectangular build would need. Financing follows the same challenges as any barndominium build in 2026. Non-traditional lenders are more comfortable with these structures, and regional banks and credit unions are increasingly offering construction loans. But national lenders often hesitate, and a courtyard design adds another layer of unfamiliarity. Budget 15 to 25% down, and expect interest rates 0.25 to 1% above standard home loan rates. Who should build this and who should not? This design is perfect for you if you love gardening or want to start. If you value privacy and quiet over visibility. If you entertain and want an outdoor space protected from the elements. If you want a home that feels resort-like without requiring a resort budget. Or if you want to maximize indoor-outdoor connection in every room that faces the courtyard. This design is not right for you if you prefer low-maintenance outdoor spaces. If your lot is too small to accommodate a functional courtyard size. If your budget is at the absolute lower end and every extra dollar counts. Or if your local zoning has restrictions on complex footprint buildings. A courtyard barndominium with a walkway garden is not just a different shape. It is a fundamentally different way of living inside a barndominium. The garden you walk through every day, the outdoor room you use in every season, the privacy your family enjoys without sacrificing the connection to nature that rural living promises. These are the things that make people say, this was the best building decision they ever made. In 2026, with barndominium costs ranging from $100 to $180 per square foot at mid-range, you can build a 2,500 square foot courtyard barndo with a designed walkway garden for $278,000 to $408,000 complete. That is still substantially less than a comparable traditional custom home, and it delivers a living experience that most traditional homes cannot match at any price. The key is planning. Plan the shape, plan the drainage, plan the glazing, Plan the garden from the start, not as an afterthought. Do those things right, and this becomes one of the most rewarding builds you will ever complete. If you found this video valuable, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we go deep on barndominium designs every week. Drop a comment below and let me know what courtyard feature you would build first. I read every single one. See you in the next one.